In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Google document into a Canvas page. In this particular case, this is the document I want to use as my Canvas homepage. So it includes what's happening in my class each day and each week throughout the semester. To do this, we're going to open the Google Doc that you want to embed, and then go up to File, and then down to Publish to the Web, which is probably a different way than you've used to share Google Docs before. When the Publish to Web window pops up, go ahead and click Embed instead of Link, and then Publish. It'll ask if you're sure you want to publish this selection. Click OK, and that's going to give you some HTML code that you can copy out of this box, and then you can close this. The next step is to go over to your Canvas class and go to the home page for that class. Creating this custom homepage is a separate process, and I've shared a separate video with you on how to set that up. But once this is done, you just need to click the Edit button. That will take you to this screen where you can post some content in here. Before you paste anything, though, you're going to click the blue HTML editor link over toward the top right. And then you can paste in that HTML code that the Google Doc gave you. Okay. Next step is to click back into the rich content editor. So in the same location, just click that blue link. And if you give it a second, you'll see that that document is then going to pop up in that box. Now it's technically there, but it's not in a format that you or students are going to be happy with. It's going to be too small and hard to read. In order to fix that, we need to customize the HTML code just a little bit. So go ahead and click back into HTML editor. And then in this long code, you're going to go to right after it says true here. So true and then a quote mark. Click right there and then type the word with equals sign and then in quotes 900. What we're doing there is telling it we want it to be 900 pixels wide. Enter a space, then type the word height equals and then in quotes 2000. What we're doing in this step, and then close the quote, what we're doing in this step is telling it we want it to be 2000 pixels high, which is about 2 screens. Okay. Go ahead and then click back into Rich Content Editor, and you should see your Google Doc in that page in a much wider view. Scroll down and hit Save. Your new home page should pop up with that Google document embedded straight into it. And now anytime you make any changes back in this Google document, it's automatically going to update and publish into Canvas without you having to do anything at all.